So I started this video in the very center of the house for whatever reason or no reason at all, but just wanted to go ahead and knock this out without rushing it so that y'all can reference it again. Here's the master suite. By the way, the entry is, I guess you could say, off of a little nook. It's right here with its own light up top, but there's this hall closet that's pretty spacious. At least it's wide, and with the shelving as well. But here is the master suite. This video ought to give you a better idea of their proportions, unlike the video on my phone. So these double windows look out onto the patio here, which I'll get to in a second. But here is the bathroom. So you have the walk-in shower and the double vanity. Get this door out of the way. And the tub. And this other room here. Behind me, we have the walk-in closet, which is a good size. I'm gonna try and get a better angle of this other side. So there's additional shelving here. So the living area, again, like I was telling Jean-Marie, this TV stand slash wall mount, I mean, it certainly looks like it's a permanent and attached item to me. In which case, I would stay there unless specifically in writing it was excluded by them, of course. Kitchen area is nice. All the additional lighting in the port windows are a nice touch, with lots of counter space for sure. The backsplash is like that cobblestone look, so it has like a crumbly texture to it. And then the pantry is a bit small, but the shelves are fairly deep. Probably use some of these items as reference, some of the boxes and stuff, but all of the cabinet space might make up for that and then some. Here's the utility room. It's right off the kitchen. This is the entryway to the garage. It's right there. I can try and peek in there in just a second, but I wanted to not forget this other nook. It's about halfway down the hallway. So it has the fixed desk area that's in here. And then you also have the 2 bedrooms and the full bath, the second bath. So here's bedroom 2. Let me just open up one of these closet doors for you so you know what's in here. All right, so that's the look. And then bedroom 3. It's an exact mirror image. The single window, about 10 by 11, 10 by 12, and then the double door closet space that's here with the shelving. But real quick, let me, in the second full bath. So the single vanity, but you have the double lighting and then the separate vent that's there, and the tub shower combo. Oh, and then right behind there's the storage cabinet, medicine cabinet, whatever they call it these days. So there's that. Let's see. Real quick before they're clamoring to get back in, I'm sure. Backyard. I did go ahead and turn on Oh, that was the front. When I turn on the lights in the front. These ones I haven't turned on, but we still have enough visibility, I think. So looks like they've placed this down. I can't quite tell if it's aftermarket or their own touch or what, but both sides of the house have a really wide portion of the yard attached to them. Here's that concrete pad with the gate. So it's not, the opening's not directly in the center. It looks like they have this board here which lifts up. That's just extra to secure it. And then there's the lock here and the wheels at the bottom, but this side is smaller than that side, obviously. This side of the yard, it's a nice touch with the, I'm getting a phone call, probably from them. But there's the storage shed on this side. Looks like they have a miniature garden of sorts. And then this side of the yard is narrower, but more so normal compared with most homes. The HVAC condenser units back there. But it's a really big yard as far as I'm concerned. For a lot that's this size, they have a bunch of their own stuff hanging up here. I'm not sure what would meaningfully stay, but you know, that's a small item in the scheme of things. And then the front, of course. The dining space right here in the center. The kitchen, and then the front entrance. So you have the protruding pantry and then the refrigerator area with the crown molding up there, and then it kind of wraps around to here. There's the other arched area with the port windows, and I guess just a multi-purpose room. It's like a study or sitting room of sorts, or just a common area like they have it. It's a good amount of space, and the shelving that's permanently installed in there is really nice. I like how they have it set up. It's almost as if they had a professional do this, because I would not be this creative whatsoever. And yet it looks so simple. Just real quick before I end this, we have the front patio with this pergola, and then the front driveway, as you can see, with the extended concrete off to the side. I'm gonna go ahead and talk to you guys in a second.